So, I'm and this is my gun for y'all. And this is
Nakita ko.
and if you don't like it,
May nakita ko, orange siya.
I really like this.
May nakita ko, orange siya. Tingnan mo.
You can do a backflip, I'm surprised.
Ayaw mo. Orange pa naman siya.
Two,
Orange pa.
but your hair is kind of ugly, so you can pick if you want. Let me just put this.
Hello? Sorry.
Okay.
Kanina ka pa